Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Green color, green color. Black color, black color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use red color. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. Yellow color. S-I-X 6. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. T-E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use blue color. Blue color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use blue color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The numbers of 20. Kids, today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.